Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachelsuniquecrafts, and today I have a little get well gift that I want to open up and share with y'all. So I'm going to get started. So I received this little get well gift from Robin's Wreathery and Robin's Yorkie nest. So if you don't know, I used to do a lot of lives and plus doing crafts. But due to a lot of migraines and eye pain, because I've had a tumor removed off of my optic nerve of my left eye, I'm having a whole lot of pain. So it's kept me from doing a lot of videos like I really want to do. So anyway, look how beautiful she made this. Y'all go check out her channel. It's Robin's Wreathery and Robin's Yorkie nest. So she makes woodwork, floral arrangements, birthday bouquets, all kind of stuff. But she sent this to me, and it says, Happy Mother's Day, and Rachel, hope your day is better, and hope your day is a better one. Love, Robin. Sorry, I messed up there. Isn't that beautiful? She made this for me. And these are the little, y'all, chocolate. My favorite. Isn't this so pretty? It was so thoughtful of her to make that and send that to me. She also sent me this sign. So if I get to making some more wreaths, look at that. How beautiful. It says home sweet home. It's got like the little camper on it. Primitive. Isn't that so pretty? So I just wanted to give a shout out and say thank you, Miss Robin, from the bottom of my heart. This is very thoughtful and very beautiful. It means a lot. So I appreciate it. I hope I get to come back and do lives again soon. I'm just having a lot of chronic pain in my eyes, and it's leading to migraine. So some days it's just not feasible to even turn on the lights. So anyway, y'all say a prayer and get to crafting. I'm trying to do a few little short videos on the days that I can handle some light, and put a little quick craft together for y'all. It's pre-recorded, but I hope y'all enjoy them. Thank y'all. Y'all have a wonderful and a blessed day. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.